And we are live. Welcome to another episode of AB Trapping. And today we're going to be reviewing this bike stand that I got from Amazon. It's a universal bike stand. My bike didn't come with a bike stand. I have no idea what happened to it, but when I bought it, that's how it came. So let's just open it up right away. It's, heavy duty, doesn't feel cheap. It feels like it will hold my bike. So let's just get into it. Take out these caps that we got back here and just take off the bolts. Next, you want to find a good spot on your bike before you even completely take off the bolts. Make sure the pedals don't hit the bike stand, because that would be a big problem if it does. So let's just take off the bolts now after you found a good location on your bike. Just make sure that everything is good and start tightening up the bolts and the nails after that. Now I got the bolts on, just making sure the pedals don't hit the kickstand, and it's holding the bike up. But it's leaning to the side a lot, so I definitely want to adjust the height on the kickstand. So there's a nail all the way in the bottom. Take that off and you're able to adjust the kickstand. Just make sure that you tighten it, because if you don't, then it will come out. So there you have it. It's on the longest option that you could have it, and it's holding the bike up. It's a great kickstand, man. I didn't expect it to be this good. I didn't expect the material to be this heavy duty. I expected something a little more cheaper, but it's a great kickstand, and I've been having it for like 2 weeks now. I used it outside, and it's great. It hasn't loosened up. It hasn't worn anything. It still seems like it's new. It was a great buy. I definitely will recommend this kickstand if you're looking to replace yours, or if your bike don't have one. You're just looking for a universal kickstand. This one will work really well. They have all different type of color options. Luckily, this kickstand matched the bike that I had. I wasn't even looking at the color. It just came in and it matched my bike, luckily. But they do have different color options: green, blue, all these colors to match your bike, or just a different color to make it, look different, or to make it stand out. Or if you was just watching the video to see how you install a kickstand, it's easy. It's a 10-minute job, even less. This was my first time, so it took me a little more time than a person who would know what he's doing. If I have another chance to install another kickstand, it would take me 3 minutes, 2 minutes. This was very simple, very easy, very straightforward. It didn't come with any instructions. It just came with the tools and the kickstand. That's it. And I figured it out. And I'm sure that you can too. It's not hard at all. So it was a great buy. I recommend this product. That's all I got for you. Don't forget to drop a like, a subscribe, a comment, and share. Do all that good stuff for me. Until next time.